Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the BMI calculator weight loss app. So we click on it. After you click on it, it's going to ask you for your age and your height. So I'm just going to be using my own age. So I'm just going to put 18 and I'm 6 and 1 inch. And my weight currently is 130 and I'm underweight. So it shows me that I'm underweight and I need to gain 10 more pounds to become normal. So let's put 140. So 140 is kind of normal. So let's put 160. So it's normal. 190. It's overweight. So it shows us that it shows how you can calculate your BMI, which means that it's like your average kilo, average weight for your height. You can also use centimeters, and you can use lb and kg, which means kilograms. So let me do the same thing. 6'1", I'm 60 kilos. So I'm basically I need to gain 3 more kilos to become normal, and I think the normal weight is very good. It's accurate because I did some research behind it, and it's really easy, and you can share with a friend, rate this app and more apps. And basically that's it. That's how you find it. It's really easy, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and basically this is it. Yeah.